For replacement tent parts, please contact customer service with your previous order number. Please note that this repair process does not work with our compact or premium tents. Start off by removing the peak pole from the frame and set aside. Next, grab a screwdriver and start removing all the large screws that hold the truss bars to the lower peak pole bracket. Place the screws aside for a future step. Do not remove the smaller screws from the bracket that are only accessible after removing the truss bars from the lower peak pole mounting areas. With all the large screws removed, start to pull out the truss bars and remove the lower peak pole bracket with its pole attachment still attached from the frame. Now, grab your new lower peak pole bracket with the pole and push the truss bars back into place. Make sure to align the holes on the truss bars with the holes on the lower peak pole bracket. Next, use the screws you set aside earlier and insert them into each hole on the lower peak bracket. With the screwdriver, screw them into place. Lastly, locate your peak pole you removed earlier and reinsert it as shown. Your lower peak pole bracket is now repaired.